Hello everyone, and welcome back to Essential Eats. Today, we're embarking on a journey through our kitchens and pantries to uncover the potential power of the foods we eat. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat," but just how much truth does it hold when it comes to fighting diseases like cancer? Join us as we delve into the science and reveal the foods that research has shown could help us in the fight against cancer. Let's get started. We often hear the phrase, "You are what you eat," and when it comes to cancer, what you eat can indeed play a significant role in prevention. Today, we're focusing on foods that have been scientifically shown to have cancer-fighting properties. First up are berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. Blueberries, in particular, are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to slow down the growth of cancer cells. Next, we have cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. They contain sulforaphane, a plant compound found in cruciferous vegetables that has potent anti-cancer properties. Thirdly, we have turmeric, a spice that gives curry its vibrant color. The active component, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Next, let's talk about fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Another cancer-fighting food is legumes. These are high in fiber, which may protect against colorectal cancer. Regular consumption of beans, lentils, and peas can play a significant role in cancer prevention. Nuts and seeds, such as walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are also packed with nutrients and compounds that can help reduce the risk of cancer. In addition, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, which are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, can lower the risk of certain types of cancer. Whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, barley, and whole grain bread are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds that aid in cancer prevention. Garlic, with its active component allicin, has been found to kill cancer cells in laboratory studies, and tomatoes, packed with lycopene, have been linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. Green tea, with its antioxidants known as catechins, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, and dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and carotenoids, which have been linked to a lower risk of cancer. Remember, while eating a diet rich in these foods can help reduce the risk of cancer, it's not a guarantee nor a substitute for medical treatment. These foods should be part of a balanced diet, coupled with regular exercise and regular medical checkups. Always consult with your healthcare provider about your risk of cancer and the best preventive measures for you. That brings us to the end of our journey today. We hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to incorporate more of these health-boosting foods into your diet. Remember, the journey to a healthier life is a marathon, not a sprint, and every small change you make can have a big impact over time. If you enjoyed this video and would like to continue learning with us, please consider subscribing to our channel, Essential Eats. We post new videos regularly, covering everything from food science to practical tips for a healthier lifestyle. We also love hearing from you. If you have any questions, or if there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please let us know in the comments section below. Your feedback helps us create content that truly meets your needs. Thank you for spending your time with us today at Essential Eats. Here's to eating well, living well, and being well. See you in the next video.